Don't eat my hair.
Introducing the all-new Ultima, Pathfinder, and Cetra. Shop our most innovative line ever. Score big savings. Sign and drive the all-new Ultima or the all-new Cetra.
Ooh, you're giving me goosebumps. Stop nibbling my ear. Tickles.
Captioning on News 3 HD is brought to you by Davis & Davis Lawyers. Call Davis & Davis. Be confident in your choices.
No, I can't see. Why do you always mess with my glasses?
Vacationers from the Brazos Valley are stuck, stranded on a cruise ship after a fire broke out in the engine room.
And a new supermarket is sprouting up in College Station, and this
Ugh.
isn't just your garden
You're so silly.
Now, Shell in the Weather Center.
After day 2 of scattered showers across the Brazos Valley, we'll tell you why you don't want to give up the umbrella just yet. We'll talk about Tuesday rain chances coming up.
now in high definition.
Say hi.
BTX, your news leader. This is News 3 at 6.